Hey, it's the blind man handyman. Now I have a like mini Godzilla, whatever it is. It's the 6.2 liter. We have the oil changed. What else we got done?
We,
Oh yeah, this is the one with the power steering pump. Everything checks out good.
yeah.
So then I did a test and checked it out, and the whole front end of this is messed up. It needs ball joints, upper and lower, tie rod ends, drag link, and traction bar to keep it all straight. And when I take it all apart, I'll show it to you. Right now I'm at the disassembly part. I've got the caliper off and I got it all tied up out of the way here. So it's snugly put up there. We're trying to get, right now I'm trying to get these snap rings out, but man, they're heavy duty snap rings in there, buddy. I tell you. Someone was putting some snap rings. So I got these, I forget the name of my mag drill, but it's a company that's big on the internet where we get tools. I got remember my magnet wheelie thing? So, well, that there. And Camilla's been helping me out with all the stuff oh, look at Abby. I think she went in, a little bugger.
Yeah, I think she did too.
Abby got a haircut and a shave. She's all itchy. And she snuck back in the house because someone else went in. So, I'll show her tomorrow. She's like, I don't want to be out here, it's cold. It's like 10 o'clock. They wanted to take this truck tomorrow, but it didn't happen. I didn't realize there was so much wrong. They just came a lot with me on this one. So, but I should have done in a day or so. No big deal. But, and what else we got going on? Well,
We're low on coolant. We didn't get any coolant.
oh yeah, she's low on coolant. Forgot the coolant. And she was low on transmission fluid too. Got to get 2 liters of transmission fluid and 4 liters of antifreeze. 2 liters of coolant. And we need a pair of snap ring pliers because these are not working. And I don't know where we're going to get some to because there's no heavy duty ones around here. We might have to make something up. If I had my truck, I'd have something because I got all that kind of stuff on my truck.
I guess we'll try again tomorrow.
Yeah, can't say I'm bored. Lots of stuff to do around here. I tell you, there's lots of broken stuff everywhere. And yeah, well, thanks for watching. Sorry it's not more interesting, and that I don't want to do a step-by-step video on how to take this apart. I'm pretty sure there's lots of those on YouTube and stuff. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy your Mother's Day tomorrow. Take care of your mother. Only got one. Okay, God bless and take care. Thank you.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day to all the moms.